A report is a record of an investigation and the outcomes. There are many different kinds of reports and they can be written for various purposes, such as documenting experiments and testing, presenting solutions to a problem, or helping to give recommendations.
Mastering report writing is key to your success at university and in the workplace. Here are some tips for writing good reports.
Analyze the brief to establish which type of report you need to prepare. Depending on the type of report, there are different ways to organize and sequence the information.
Identify the problem statement, which is the central question, hypothesis, or problem you're investigating. Follow this with some research questions or aims for your investigation.
Keep accurate records of all your readings and notes, such as your methods for collecting data, the data you collected, how you analyzed it, and your conclusions about the findings.
Establish a clear structure for the whole report. Drafting a table of contents will help you list your headings or topics and related subheadings in a logical order.
While writing each section, stay on track by revisiting the original brief and the original problem statement. This will keep your writing focused and relevant.
Clear visuals are important in reports. Make sure they are all linked to the text and have useful descriptive captions.
Carefully edit and proofread your report. The best writing comes from rewriting.
Feedback from peers can also be helpful.
If you need help with report writing, remember that the Learning Center has great online resources and offers workshops and individual consultations.